I've told a few people, I think you're pushing the envelope a little too much here. But I think the key is just being mindful if you have a second income, or you just, you pick up something very part-time, or even I had a few people, because we had a couple of elections this year. And I know people that have done them in the past. They said, okay, if you're going to do some work for Elections Canada, that's extra income. They don't deduct any tax.
Oh, really?
Right. Yeah.
I wasn't aware of that.
Yeah, and I had somebody else that had proctored some exams. Again, they get the T4A slip, and they went, oh, I never thought of this, right? You just go for,
Right.
A couple weekends, and, it's a few hours. But if you're just having enough tax come off, and then you're tacking on another, $1,000 of income, and, let's say you're working somewhere and your income's $70,000, you're in a 29.65% tax bracket, you throw an extra $1,000 of income on that, then you're still, and then nobody's taken off tax. That's a $300 tax bill potentially just for that $1,000. So the whole point of us doing this podcast is just so that you have that awareness. So the side hustle is one thing.